Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study fixed income for CFA Level 1. First, begin by thoroughly understanding the foundational concepts of fixed income securities. This includes grasping their basic features, how they are issued, and their role in a portfolio. Dedicate significant time to the initial readings to build a strong conceptual framework, which is about 10 to 15% of the exam. Next, dive deep into valuation and yield measures. Focus on how bonds are priced, the various types of yields like yield to maturity, and the impact of interest rate changes. Understanding duration and convexity is crucial, as these concepts often account for a significant portion of the questions, perhaps 20 to 25% of the fixed income section. Then, move on to risk analysis and portfolio strategies. Explore different types of risks, such as credit risk and inflation risk, and how they affect bond investments. Familiarize yourself with various portfolio management techniques, including immunization and liability matching. This section often involves qualitative understanding and practical application, making up about 15 to 20%. Finally, practice extensively and review consistently. Work through hundreds of practice questions from the curriculum and third-party providers. Regularly revisit all key formulas and their derivations. Take at least 2 to 3 full-length mock exams to refine your time management and identify weak areas, ensuring you are well prepared for the exam day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.